Meet the Kutchina Zephire OTG, your delightful kitchen ally, ready to make baking, grilling and toasting a breeze. The sleek look with heat-resistant tempered glass and a stainless steel handle complements your kitchen aesthetics. Yummiest mug cakes ready to satisfy your sudden midnight cravings. Mix all your ingredients in a coffee mug, place it in the OTG and set the timer for 2 minutes. With a quartz heating element, your treat is ready in no time. How about a rotisserie chicken for a perfect Sunday brunch with your loved one? The rotisserie feature and multiple heating element ensures that your chicken remains crisp on the outside, juicy on the inside. And that's not all. Bake your cakes like a pro. With the convection feature, Kutchina Zephire has mastered the art of even heat production. With smart aspects like timer control and auto shut-off, you can trust it to take care of your meals while you enjoy quality moments. Armed with efficient accessories like enamel bake pan, chromed wire rack and pan handle, it opens avenues to new limitless culinary possibilities. Add a zing to your family gatherings with an array of food options. Whether it's a perfect thin crust pizza or a juicy roast or delightful cookies, the Kutchina Zephire delivers flawless results every time. Our Zephire OTG range is designed for your busy lifestyle. Cook with confidence, serve with pride. Buy now.